Hey, what's going on YouTube? TomVang here. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace your automatic CVT shifter for a Subaru Impreza, Crosstrek, or Forester. So for those of you who do own one, I have a 2012 Subaru Impreza hatchback 2.0i, and you guys know this is the ugliest, tackiest thing in the world, and so of course I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace this with this beautiful Magnifico Forester sport shifter, which I got from Subaru Online Parts. I'll put a link in the description box below. This process will take you no more than 20 minutes, 20-30 minutes, and all you really need is a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead. So with that, guys, let's get started in replacing this ugliness. Alright guys, so the first step you're going to do is you're going to get to the back seat and remove your center console. Now, I have converted my center console to a console from a WRX. So this is actually from a 2016 Subaru WRX. So WRX center consoles are a little bit different, but for Imprezas, Crosstreks, and Foresters, there's going to be a panel on the right side and on the left side where you're going to use a flathead and you're going to pop it off, and you're going to unscrew the two Phillips that are holding it together to loosen up the center console. But as for WRXs, these center consoles are actually in the middle. So I have quarters in the way, but there's a little hole here, and that's where the Phillips screw goes into. So it's actually a lot more convenient for the WRXs. So you can convert it. This is what I've done. This is from a newer vehicle, so it's black and matches the WRX seats. So yeah, again, this is the first step is to unscrew the screws holding on the center console, and then after which you're going to be popping this off. You're going to be pulling it up, and then you're going to be removing the boot here as well. Alright guys, so now that you've unscrewed the two screws holding the center console from the rear, you're going to be lifting the center console up from the front. So when you jimmy it and you lift up, it'll loosen the front console, and then you're going to see a Phillip here, and you're just going to unscrew that. So it's going to take you a little bit of jimmying to remove the boot, and then after you remove the boot, the Phillip will be exposed here. So I'm going to remove this really quick for you. So don't lose your screw. Now put it in the cup holder. Now you can remove the center console out of the way. So I'm going to move it out of the way. Alright guys, so now that you've done that, you're going to turn the car on. So I do apologize for the sound the car is going to be making, because you're going to have to put the key into the ignition. So you're going to turn it all the way, so you'll be able to pull the shifter down to drive. And then after that, you're going to take your flathead and you're going to place it right under the let's see here. Sorry, I'm using one hand, so it's a little challenging to record. See, so you're going to put it right in between, and you're going to twist it as if you're turning on the car. So oops, it'll be easy. So I do apologize, I have one hand. I can't show you guys it. See, bam. So after which this falls down, and you're going to feel for a little W piece here, so you're going to have to lift that out. So again, I apologize, one hand. You're going to have to pull that out and make sure you don't lose this piece, because this piece is really, really important. One second. See this W piece? Don't lose it. Don't lose this piece. So I'm going to place it right here. And now you can just hold it and pull it out. And here comes your shifter. Now you could also replace your shifter if you want to. And that's that. Now you're going to pull up this panel and you're going to remove this. So you can finally remove this. You're going to be able to remove all of this. So let's get to the next step. Alright guys, next step is to be removing this piece, and so all you gotta do is tug really hard with both hands, right and left here, and you're gonna be able to pull it out, and then after which I'm just gonna put it to the side for now, and then we're going to use a flathead and take off all these three pieces and all these three pieces to remove this piece. So be back with you in a quick second. Alright guys, so now that I've used the flathead to loosen up all three pins here and all three pins on here, I'll finally be able to lift off and remove this ugly tacky piece. So as you can tell, there's a little piece connected to it. You're gonna take this off and you're gonna connect it to the new one right here. So it's very, very straightforward, and I won't be able to show it to you guys because I'm alone and I don't have anyone holding the camera. So I'll show it to you guys the before and after. So here, before, bam. Alright guys, so now that this is connected, I'm going to put this off to the side for now, and we're going to have to remove this. So there's going to be clips here and here that you're going to have to use a flathead again to remove this white piece off. So be back with you again in a second. Alright guys, checking back in. Now that this piece has been officially loosened up, I'm able to remove it. So we're just going to remove that piece. This is optional. You can clean this now if you guys want, but I don't really care. I'm going to remove all that piece. And then we could finally put our beautiful shifter in place. So, bam. Alright guys, so now that you've snapped it in place, don't forget to put the shifter boot on. So you're just going to place it on and make room for your shifter. So just press it in. It's going to snap in place. You're going to take your shifter and you're just going to put it back in there. It's going to clip in place. And then you're going to take that W piece and you're going to snap it right back on again. So again, be back with you in a second. Alright guys, so after you've done that, you reverse the entire process of this video and put everything back together, and then bedazzle, you have yourself a brand new sport shifter. Oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful. It looks so much better than that ugly, crappy tackiness. So, yeah guys, you're going to have some leftover parts. I'm going to be throwing away all of this junk. So I think you should keep this just in case. But this, all are going to go. I'm going to toss in the trash can. With that guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It's a really good modification to the car and replace the tackiness that Subaru has for us. And please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. I'm going to be pumping out more videos, more car reviews. And with that guys, happy 2018. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.